Welcome to my maths class. In this class, we'll solve sums from class 10 NCERT textbook, chapter AP, example number 2. The sum says, which of the following list of numbers forms an AP? If they form an AP, write the next two terms. Now, they given us some lists of numbers. We have to find whether the given lists of numbers form an AP or not. For this, what we have to do? We have to check whether there is a common difference between the terms of the given list. Suppose there is a common difference, that list of numbers will form an AP. So the first one, the list is 4, 10, 16, 22 and so on. So now we will try to check whether there is a common difference between the terms. So A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, that is 10 minus 4, we will get 6. Again A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2, 16 minus 10, 6. A4 minus A3, A4 minus A3. So 22 minus 16, we get 6. So there is a common difference between the terms. The common difference is equal to 6. Therefore, the given list of numbers forms an AP. Now we have to write the next two terms. That means we have to write the fifth and the sixth term. So A5 is equal to A4 plus D will get A4 is 22 plus if you add the common difference, you will get the next term 28. Then A6, again to A5 add the common difference 28 plus 6, 34. So the next two terms are A5 and A6. Now we will take the second list of numbers. The second list, 1 minus 1 minus 3 minus 5. So now A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1. A2 is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1. We will get minus 2. Next, A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. What is A3? A3 is minus 3. minus 3 minus minus 1 is equal to minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. Next, A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. A4 is minus 5. Minus 5 minus of minus 3. That's equal to minus 5 plus 3. Here also I am getting minus 2. So there is a common difference between the terms. So this list forms an AP. So common difference is equal to minus 2. Therefore, the given list of numbers form an AP. Form an AP. Now we have to write the next two terms, that is A5 and A6. So A5, to get A5, to A4 add the common difference. So minus 5 plus minus 2 is equal to minus 5 minus 2 minus 7. A6 to A5 add the common difference. So minus 7 minus 2, that's equal to minus 9. So the next two terms of the AP are minus 7 and minus 9. Now we will take the third list of numbers. The third list is minus 2, 2, minus 2, 2, minus 2. So A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, 2 minus of minus 2, that's equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4. Next, A3 minus A2, A3 minus A2. A3 is minus 2. So minus 2 minus 2. We are getting minus 4. From this, we can see that there is no common difference between the terms. So no common difference. No common difference. Therefore, the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Does not form an AP. Because there is no common difference. Now we will take the fourth list. One, so here A2 minus A1, A2 minus A1, that is 1 minus 1 is 0. Then A3 minus A2. A3 minus A2. A3 is what? 1 again. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. Next we will move further. A4 minus A3. A4 minus A3. What is A4? A4 is 2. So 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. Here we can see that there is no common difference. So no common difference. No common difference. Therefore, the given list of numbers does not form an AP. Does not form an AP. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.